Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mike Cameron.
All right, it's been a beautiful day. Now as we look towards Father's Day, I think we have some rain potentially in the forecast at certain times. One time, minimally, in northern Connecticut might be during the mid-morning. A better opportunity, though, I think tomorrow comes during the afternoon for a good chunk of the state to at least at times see a few showers nearby. Let's go outside and see what it looks like from our vantage points with our iCams. This is Hartford showing a few more clouds have come into the sky. It's still nice and blue here as we look towards the east-northeast out of Middletown towards Portland. And you can see here in Torrington, I don't see so much sun ray. As many sun rays going down onto the land here. I think we have maybe a little bit more cloud cover starting to come in here. And it looks gorgeous over Old Saybrook right now. But what we do expect is for more clouds to come in over the next several hours, so that overnight tonight it should turn mainly cloudy. And as a result of that, an increasing humidity and still a pretty busy breeze out of the southwest that's been going on all day, I think we'll see temperatures only into the lower half of the 60s. Whereas this morning when we woke up, we had lows in the 50s and 40s. So not quite as comfortable. It'll feel a little bit muggier, a little bit stuffier. And then tomorrow, I think there'll be a similar temperature spread as to today. We'll see readings in the low 70s in northwestern Connecticut and then in southeastern Connecticut because of the influence off the water. But especially if we see just some midday sun, which I think we will, some mid-70s to low 80s will happen across the I-84 corridor during the course of tomorrow. And as far as going to the beach tomorrow, I think, as I said, it's going to be cooler because we'll have some influence off the water, so it'll keep it slightly cooler at the beaches. And if you plan on going, at least at some points during the day, particularly in the afternoon, you might have to take it in because of a shower or a thunder shower, and out over the water with the boat, too. I think you'll have to not only deal with that, but also a strong wind still and some higher chop because of those winds. You can see how already we're starting to see some showers infiltrate in the westernmost part of the state. I think some of this is actually evaporating before it hits the ground, although there could be a few sprinkles this evening. But I think the bigger share of rain is going to happen tomorrow. There's a cold front sitting up here and another area of low pressure sitting over the Ohio Valley, which will help guide that area of low pressure toward us. And as it doing so, I think the morning, most of the rain will head to the north across Massachusetts and northern New England. But then in the afternoon, as the system more centrally moves closer, I think we'll have a better chance for some showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. So here's our futurecast, tomorrow's weather today, and we go into tomorrow, and you'll see as we look towards the morning hours, see how we have a few showers, mainly the deference for them would be more concentrated across northern parts of the state. Here's about 9 o'clock in the morning. We're seeing a few, but not many. You see areas central and southern Connecticut. That's where we'll see perhaps even some glimpses of sun and not much in the way of showers. But once the afternoon comes, here's about 3 o'clock, we're seeing some of these scattered showers, maybe a thunder shower too in the mix. Here's about 6 o'clock, we're seeing some of these around. And here's about 9 o'clock. You see how they're more statewide between 3, 6, and 9 o'clock than they were during the first 2/3 of the day. So then once we get past then, I think past midnight, most of that will move on out. And in fact, Monday actually looks all right. We might see a stray shower, a thunder shower on Monday. But I think of the 2 days when you consider tomorrow or Monday, actually tomorrow is going to be the wetter day, unfortunately, on Father's Day. But Monday, again, we might see that stray shower or storm. Tuesday, for now, we'll call it dry with a high in the lower 80s. Wednesday, we have changed. Now I think a wave of low pressure comes by. It's in tandem with this same front that's just not going to go very far. It's going to stall just to our south. So as that wave of low pressure comes along, I think it gives us a pretty good shot for showers and storms. And then looking ahead to the travelers, I think the wettest period may be Friday. But I think in saying that, we can tone back what we have been saying. It looks a little less wet. Maybe some scattered showers off and on, maybe not such a widespread rain. But we'll keep our eyes on it.
All eyes are on the TPC.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks, Mike.
Yeah.